Wackin'. So I have another house today. I'll be getting some footage of that. And I'll be using the pure water wag, of course. So I will see y'all when we get there. Oh, by the way, before I let y'all go, if y'all working by backpack like me, because you too cheap and or you can't afford those expensive water-fed systems, get a backpack for like $150 or less. Preferably one that's like, I would have to say 8 or 10 gallons, because you don't want to keep filling that 4-gallon thing up. The Gardner served its purpose, but it just wasn't big enough, and I wasn't putting that on my back. That's for darn sure. So it's best to get one that has a trolley set up on it and has a bigger tank. You'll thank me for it, trust me. And if you can't afford a system to make your own pure water, Walmart is the best place to go and get water. I got 15 gallons for $12.30 something or whatever it was. That's pretty good. That's less than $1. I think it was like 86 cents per gallon for distilled water. That's good. And that's the amount of water I bought yesterday to do that other house that y'all saw a short clip about. For 15 gallons, I made $700. So, yes, my method, you won't use a whole lot of water, but if it was the constructor brush, I would have used probably about 25 gallons or maybe close to 30 gallons to clean that house. That much I do know. So, yeah, you will save money doing it that way. And despite you got to buy your water, shoot, an average house, you won't need no more than 15 gallons for an average small house, you know. And that was a big house. It had 120 something windows, and I did it all with 15 gallons of distilled water. So yes, $12 for $13, you can make some good money, you know. All it costs is $13. If you already got the equipment and you already got your solution, which is a soap, you know, 12 to $15 to make that hustle is worth it. So I'm going in here to get some ammonia. Yeah, I work with ammonia all the time in my solution, as well as full crystal. But all right, I'll see you when we get there. Hey, how good God is. God is good. And it may not seem a lot of you, but you got to understand something. When you know what I know, that's a lot, man. And it's signs all around, and he speaks to us all the time. But most people aren't keen enough to pick up on it. So I haven't gotten a coffee in, I'd say, about 3 or 4 months. I just kind of fell back from coffee. The only reason why I'm getting one today is because it does kind of sound good, and I am a little tired, and I need a pick-me-up. My worker wanted to stop and get coffee. They didn't have ammonia, so I got cleaning vinegar. I don't like cleaning vinegar when I'm cleaning windows. I don't like the smell of vinegar unless it's in my greens, you know. But to be smelling that, I don't care for it too much. I'd rather smell cat piss. By cat piss, I mean ammonia. I've gotten used to that. Not that I like it, but you know what I'm saying. But I decided to get a coffee, and it was almost $4 at Drunken Donuts. So the lady said, "You don't need any money. The guy in front of you paid." So I was like, "Really?" I said, "That's fantastic." So the Lord, that was nothing but the Lord. You know why? Because I haven't gotten a coffee in months. And the moment I decided to get one, he said it's on him. Don't worry about it. It's on me today. Get your coffee and enjoy yourself. Go make that money. This is the impression I got. You see, my vibrational state, I pick up on all sorts of things. And when you keep your levels high like that, you can only expect but good things. You feel me? But this is Masters at Wagtail. That's all I wanted to say. Give you all a little short message. When in doubt, know that you always have help. And having faith, you will never ever go wrong. Only you know what's best for you. And trusting in yourself and trusting and having faith in the Lord will see you through. You're going to be all right. You ain't going to want for nothing. Trust what I tell you. This is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, how good God